The old Endevor right here. It's a 1964 Hatteras, I think it's 44-foot Hatteras cabin cruiser. Used to own this boat for a while. Always curious how the bottom was. I'm sure they had to scrape a lot of stuff off, but the bottom still seems intact. I sold it to somebody that brought it here to Dolphin Cove Marina in Charleston a couple of years ago. And I never really kept up with the guy to see what had happened. But here it is. The old Endevor. Try to figure out what the story is on this thing. See what the deal is. It's ready for somebody to turn it into their old dream boat, though. Looks like Dolphin Cove Marina. If you're really bored and you got nothing to do, and about $60,000 or $70,000, $80,000 to put into a boat that'd be worth about $30,000. Contact these boys down at Dolphin Cove Marina. You can have yourself a proper yacht.